Hi, I'm John Quipp, Product Support Manager at Lincat. This is just a short video presentation to give engineers an appreciation of the VA20 valve, an integral part of Silverlink and Opus gas fryers, with the exception of the Vortec premix system. This is the Lincat VA20. Here we have the operator's control knob. Here it's in the off position, but here you see the ignition and the full on positions. Here, marked out, is the test point for checking the burner pressure. Here, by removing the cap, this gives you access to the inbuilt regulator, which will allow you to adjust the burner pressure. Here, to connect the control thermostat, connect to TH and TPTH. To connect the thermopile, connect to TP and TPTH. For mounting the thermocouple, there are three possible locations. We have here, here, or here. Whichever one is to be used, remember to fit in the mag valve connection. Slots in quite easily here for connecting the thermocouple in there. Let's look at a typical installation of a VA20. Here we have a J5 natural gas fryer from the Silverlink 600 range. Here's the valve in position. The VA20 uses a two-part system. The ignition part of the system uses the thermocouple and the safety thermostat. If the fryer will not stay lit, look no further than these components. If everything is okay, the pilot's remained lit, turn this to the flame symbol, which will then engage the second part, which is essentially the burner lighting part of the system. This is activated by turning the control thermostat. Let's fire up the fryer and check the burner pressure. With the gas off, first thing we need to do is to remove the screw from the out test point. We then take the manometer and connect to the out. Finally, we remove the cap on the regulator. This will allow us to make any adjustments to the pressure should that be necessary. Okay, let's fire up the fryer. First of all, check all the controls are off and that the operator hasn't left anything in part open position. Everything's off, we're now ready, so let's switch the gas on. We now put the control to ignition mode, press and hold, press the piezo, now hold the control knob in for around 10 seconds and then slowly release. Pilot's on. We're now ready to turn to the flame symbol for full operation. Okay, now let's engage the burners, and this will allow us to check the burner pressure. To engage the burners, turn on the control thermostat. With the burners engaged, switch on the manometer. And here we go, we're showing 17.4 millibars. This fryer needs to be running at 16.2, so a minor adjustment will need to be made. So let's set the pressure. In this case we need to lower it by turning the regulator screw anti-clockwise. And there we go, we're now running at 16.2 millibars. With your pressure set, you can now turn off the fryer, turn off the gas, remove your test meter, fit your test meter screw, do your leak test, and if you have a twin tank fryer, move on to the second tank. I hope you found this informative, and best of luck out there.